Hello, what's up, users? Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to supercharge your messaging experience. So, today we have an exciting topic to discuss, which is how to send large videos on WhatsApp. So, throughout this tutorial, I will be using the latest version of the WhatsApp app. So, make sure you are up to date, and whether you are using WhatsApp on Android or iOS, I've got you covered. So grab your device, get ready to unlock the secret of sending large videos on WhatsApp, and let's dive right in. But before we jump into the tutorial, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and then hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future WhatsApp related content. We're all about taking your messaging game to the next level. So first of all, you need to open up WhatsApp on your Android and iOS, and then I will open up this conversation here. And now if I open up the gallery here, which is the traditional way of sending images and videos on WhatsApp, and I will open up the videos file here. And okay, let's open up this file here. Now if I click on this one here, now here you can see that this video is about 10 minutes long. Now at the top you can see that WhatsApp have automatically trimmed this into parts. Okay, so you cannot send maybe like more than 2 minutes and a 50 seconds video on WhatsApp. If the video is longer, WhatsApp will automatically trim it. Okay, so if I wanted to send this video, I have to cut this or split this into parts, okay, which is not a good way. So the other thing that I can do, I will just tap on this and I will choose documents. Okay, so I will send my video as a document, and then I will browse that specific video here, which was this video, by the way. Here you can see that it is 261 MBs. So just tap on this one and it will load because it's a large video, and then I will tap on next, and now you can see that I can send basically a 10 minutes video which is like 261 MBs. Okay, so that's how to send large videos on WhatsApp. So don't forget to check out our other videos for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.